2023, which I, Haridarshan, and my friend Harshal built. So we realized a problem that normal forms and surveys are very boring, and we can maybe add videos to increase engagement within the forms. So I'll first show you how the end product looks like. So for example, if I click on share, it says that a link is copied to my clipboard. So now if I open this link on a new tab, you'll actually notice that it asks me to enter some details. I'll enter my details here, and some some.com. It has some basic client-side validations, and if I click on save info, it will ask me some questions, and you can basically go through the video and say yes or no. So for example, if I say no and click on next, it say thanks for submitting any feedback, and you can maybe write it and you can submit it, right? So yeah, so if I can click on submit. So it actually takes a bit of time because the TB is hosted on a free tier. But yeah, so as it says, your response has been recorded, all caught up. So now let me show you one more interesting thing. So if let's say I go to the same response and fill it as somebody else, because yeah, some other date, yt.com, and previously I chose no, but in this case if I choose yes, you'll see that actually the sequence of everything changes, and now I have to answer more questions, and hence it becomes more interactive. Now if I click on submit, again this will submit all my responses, and I'll get a message that your response is this, and yeah, you can close this tab obviously. So now how do we create these forms? If I go back, you'll actually see this is the home page where I have all my forms. If I click on create form, now you'll see that there is a default node. Now a node basically represents a question. So for example, would you like to would like to take a survey? So, and if I can have a MCQ type, and that this could be yes, this could be no, and I'll upload a video associated with it so that it actually becomes more engaging. So I have few videos here. Yeah, I'll try to upload one, and yeah, so once it's done, I'll actually see a preview as well. I save changes, you'll see that okay, those changes reflect here. I'll just create one more thing. So let's say another question. So this is just an example, so just filling anything for the sake of demonstration, and you'll see that okay, one.yes, and say open, try to upload it, and let it be a text node. It can be a MCQ as well. So here it is, adding one more node, which is this should be no, yeah, and I'll just upload a video associated to it. Yeah, did it, got the preview. You can also watch the preview if you want to, and save changes. That's it. Now one interesting thing is you can actually decide the sequence. So for example, this is an MCQ node, so if the user answer yes, then he is going to redirect it to the another question, and if he let's say says no, it will be no. Yeah, and now if I save it, it will ask me a form name for the form. So let's say example form, and I hit on save. So now it'll actually take some time to hit the DB. It says form saved, and you see that okay, I have example form which is created here, which has 3 questions. If I click on share and if I paste the link somewhere here at the date this.com, you'll see that clicking on no will take me, this should be no, and you can basically submit it and get things done. So that was pretty much it about the product. Thank you very much.